What is cooking? Look at the picture, color the spaces which have dots in them. What do you see? Comment this. In the picture, you must have found some utensils that are used for cooking. Are there any other utensils used in your house for cooking? Which are they? Comment this. What are utensils made of? Comment this. Ask some elderly people what kind of utensils were used earlier. What were they made of? Comment this. We do not cook all the things that we eat. Find out which things we eat raw and which ones we cook before eating. Which are the things we eat both cooked and raw? Fill in the tables given below. Things that are eaten raw, things that are eaten cooked, things that are eaten both raw and cooked. Comment this. Have you seen a chapati being made in the kitchen or anywhere else? There are so many things to be done for this. Taking out flour in a utensil, kneading it into a dough, making small balls of the dough, rolling out the balls, then cooking it on fire. After all this, the chapati reaches your plate after so much of effort. Go to the kitchen and observe something being cooked. What all was done to cook it? Write the sequence. Don't forget to write the name of the item being cooked. Look at the notebook of your classmates and discuss in a group. Name of the item. Comment this. You have seen the food items are cooked in a variety of ways. Some are baked and some are fried, some are roasted, while some are steamed. Given below are different methods of cooking. Write the names of two things cooked by each of these methods. Add some more methods of cooking to the list and give example too. Method of cooking: roasting, boiling, frying, baking. Name of the things. Comment this. Children can consult their family members too. This will develop in them an understanding that besides the teacher, other people can also be a source of information. What is used to cook food in your house? Draw a picture in the notebook and write its name. Identify the pictures given below and write their names. What produce heat in each of them? Match the picture with the list. Matching can be with more than one thing also. Kerosene oil, coal, electricity, gas, wood, sunlight. Cow dung cakes, children's experience or methods of cooking may be interesting. A discussion can be held on how the fuel used in our homes affect the environment. Make and eat. Soak whole moong seed overnight in water. In the morning, wrap the soaked moong in a wet cloth and cover it. Take it out after a day. Do you find any difference? Add sliced onion, tomatoes, salt and lemon juice to the moon and mix. Share it with your classmates. Which are the other things you can prepare without cooking? Write their names and the method of preparing them. One example is given below. 1 lemon water. Mix sugar in water, add lemon juice, strain it, lemon water is ready. 2. Comment this. 3. Comment this. Children enjoy preparing food together. They can prepare things depending on what is easily available and what kind of things are eaten in their region.